Alrighty, YouTube, the C10 body cab is done. All that work on and off for the last couple weeks. This was redone in here. This is all redone in here. Floor was put in by the owner. Rockers are in. Complete cab corners redone. This was all smashed in, this whole corner. This cab corner done. We're gonna go around. Rocker done. Inside here, the whole area done. Cleaned up a little bit for the owner underneath here where he did some heavy welds. Also fixed floor pan in 2 spots. It was up here in the cowl, the toe boards area that was weak. I had to rebuild this. This was all ripped apart. This did not work. I had to weld this nut at the bottom there. So now that's all rebuilt. The dash still has to be welded in, and he told me not to weld it in because he's going to have it sandblasted. So it's going to be a short video on the C10 because there's not much here about it to talk about. But yeah, we're done. Up and coming will be a video on the Z28. It doesn't have its own video. I was informed that it needs to have its own video. So we'll be doing that next. So this is very short. This actually should be like a short video thingy. But just wanted to give you all an update on this.